Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And today we are going to have a great recipe.
Today we're going to make dump and go vegetable beef soup. And it's absolutely delicious. So let's get started. All right, so what we've got here.
I have a little over a pound of beef stew meat. And we chopped up some celery, and now we're slicing some potatoes.
And I'm just going to cube these potatoes up. And these are just your regular russet potatoes. You can get whatever kind of potato you like. If you like gold potatoes or red potatoes, any potato will work.
Every soup has to have some carrots.
You gotta have some carrots. Nothing like sweet carrots.
We love our carrots. And of course, we got to have our sweet onion, so we've got one of those. We pretty much put one in every recipe we ever had.
We have.
We love those things.
I know. That's funny. And I'm cutting these long ways because I like the long pieces of onion in my soup. They cook up nicely.
Now that the meat is in the crock pot, we're adding some Italian seasoning.
And I like to use Italian seasoning. It pretty much has all the seasoning that you're going to need. I like to season the meat. And then
we are adding a packet of Lipton Beefy Onion Soup Mix.
And this adds a really nice beefy flavor.
Give that a good dusting.
Yeah.
There you go, Jen.
Clean off that edge. Look at that. What a mess I make. What's wrong with me?
Now we're going to add all these yummy veggies we chopped up.
That's right. Dump and go.
Just rake them all in there.
Get it all in there. Uh-oh. Don't worry. I'll get that one back there in a minute. I see it. I know all of you are going like, please pick up that carrot.
I wasn't going to let that little carrot get away. You know how I like to pick the food off the counter.
It won't get wasted. We promise.
Then we're adding a bag of frozen mixed vegetables.
And then?
And 4 cups of beef broth, which is the whole container.
Yep, there's 4 cups in here. A little slow coming out of the box here. I guess I could have put it in a measuring cup, but why clean another dish? Forgot to put my spoon.
Then 2 cups of vegetable broth,
which is half this box. And I'm going to pour that in here. And then, once we get that in there, look at that. One more ingredient.
And then 1 can of diced tomatoes.
Gotta have some tomatoes. Can't have beef soup without tomatoes. Just going to mix this up a little bit in the crock pot.
This is going to be a great meal here. Look at that, all that.
I know. As Sheila would say, very colorful.
Now we're going to cover it up.
Yeah. And then I'm going to program this for 6 hours on high. And we'll let that cook, and we'll be back. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Yes. Look at that. Wow, that looks great.
I'm hungry. My stomach's growling.
Onions and carrots and peas and potatoes. Look at all them veggies. What's great about this recipe, you can can it or freeze it or save some for a rainy day or a sunny day or whenever you're hungry.
Absolutely. Anything, yeah. This is a great one to put away and just for those nights you don't want to cook.
So let's dish some of this up.
Okay, let's do it. Get the big red bowl.
Oh, I love that. Look at that.
Yum.
So good. So good. Can't wait.
Can't wait, I know.
Can't wait.
Look at that.
You can get some crackers or cornbread. I like cornbread.
Cornbread, definitely. Yum. Well, as Steve would say, is this the best dump and go vegetable beef soup? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun.
Hey, don't forget to pick up the Best of Cooking with Shotgun Red cookbook, now available Volume 1 and Volume 2. Click on the link below and pick up your copy today.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.